Hello all beauty fans! In today's video I would like to show you how to fix damaged nail polish. It usually happens after a couple of days, right? And it looks like mild nails. Edges of nail polish are almost gone, but the rest is in a good shape. It is worth to fix it, and if not, you can still remove it later. Okay, so what do you need? You will need nail polish remover, cotton ball, one is enough, your original nail polish, and some top coat. Okay, so let's get started. First, soak cotton ball. You don't need much, just a little bit. Okay. Then lightly loosen up your damaged nails, top of your nail, just a little bit to soften up. You don't need to remove it, only soften the edges so it's blend easily with new polish. Oops. Okay. Sorry, my phone is ringing. I can't pick it up. Sorry. Okay, so I am back. I need to pick it up. Okay, so when you soften up your edges, apply nail polish. In my case, I'm using Calvin Klein in the coral color. You are not applying nail polish to your all nail. I mean only to the edges. Or when you see something, some nail polish missing, just apply lightly. Don't apply too much. Somewhere you need to just really just very light touch of nail polish to fix it. Okay, and let it dry. A couple of minutes. I like give it a little bit more time than 1 or 2 minutes because after 5 minutes I am sure that it's dry. When it's dry, apply top coat. In my case, I pick up the Sally Hansen Complete Care Extra Moisturizing 4-in-1 treatment because it's good and it has a great price, like $5-7. I don't remember how much. But when your nails are dry, yes, yep, it's dry. It looks much better than before, right? Apply a quick top coat, any kind you have. Oops, I have a hard time to open it. Okay. Top coat helps you seal it both nail polishes, like all the new one. They will bond better together. And now let it dry. At least 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes are gone. Nails are dry and they are really nice and shiny. Thank you for watching. Check out our website howtobeautyreviews.com for more tips or giveaway. Every month we have new giveaway. That ringing is funny, right? What I learned from this ringing? Turn off your phone when you are making some videos. Sorry about that ringing.